Hi, I'm Michelle Lang, CEO and founder of nLang Media. If you're an entrepreneur or a business decision maker, you've probably heard all the buzz about how important it is to have a video for your business. As you know, video has caught on in a big way because it generates interest and buzz, builds the know, like, and trust factor, and even converts sales while you're off running your business. And this is essential if you want to quickly capture the attention of the decision maker and stand out from the crowd. There are statistics about the benefits of video that may blow your mind. Did you know that the Wharton School of Business found that prospects are 72% likelier to buy your products and services when video is used, and it speeds up buying decisions by 70%. Not only that, but Forbes Insight found that 59% of senior executives would rather watch a video than read text. So if you're reaching out to business decision makers like in the corporate world, you'll have a much better chance of getting them to say yes if you use video. When you consider all